In this video, we're going to take a look at my cookie dollars review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my cookie dollars review. I am ronnierokksmith and also coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about making money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a single video. So let's get into this video and learn what cookie dollars is all about. Okay, so before I show you the sales page and we talk all about the product, I need you to do one thing. Look in the video description below and click that first link. That's going to take you to my bonus page here. And all you got to do is scroll down on this page till you see this green bar here that says click here to lock in these bonuses. What that's going to do is lock in my 12 bonuses that I have on this page. We're going to go over at the end of the video. It's going to lock in the bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus, where this product is hosted. Okay, so before we jump into the sales page, you might be wondering, what the heck is cookie dollar? What is it all about? So basically, you're going to become Amazon associate, or most people call them affiliates, but it's the same thing, right? And what's going to happen is you're going to be creating videos. Really simple to do. They show you how to do it in the program inside the training, right? So you're going to create these videos, and inside your links is going to link to that Amazon product that you're going to be promoting, okay? And you're going to get cookie. So if someone comes and checks out your videos and scrolls down in your descriptions and click your links and go to that page and they don't check out, so what? Guess what? You're cookie for 24 hours. They can go somewhere else and buy another product. You're still going to get the commission. Pretty cool, right? So that's basically what cookie dollars is all about. So let's go ahead now, jump into the sales page and learn a little bit more about it. All right, so let's jump into the sales page and check the product out and see what it's all about. So here we are on the sales page. Basically reads, we found a cookie era inside a $1 trillion company. It pays us $50 a day passively without selling anything. Literally no one else is doing this, and our software does 90% of the work. So as I said before, when someone gets cookied to your link, you have 24 hours. If they don't pick up the product that you recommended from your YouTube video and they still go to Amazon, they're still cookied to you, so they could pick up a $100,000 product. I doubt that. But just say if they pick up a $100, $200, $300 product on anything else, you're going to get the commission for that. So pretty cool, right? So let's check out the rest of the sales page here. All right, so here's Tom E with a welcome video and pretty much explaining everything about the product. So go ahead and check that out. Okay, and some testimonials. So here's the Tom E and Mark Gray. So these are the two guys launching this product, well-known marketers in the marketing space. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you. You could go ahead and read this on your own time. Of course, I'm not going to read it to you, right? That would be stupid. You can do it yourself. So we learned a little bit more about Tom E here, but what I wanted to show you is there's 3 simple steps to get started in this, guys. Very simple, right? Step 1, they're going to show you how to get set up in 24 hours, get your cookie link, everyone is approved. Step 2, unleash your free built-in traffic. So thanks to your unique hack, and the traffic is always free and bountiful. Of course, that's YouTube, right? Plenty of traffic there. Number 3, we'll show you how to automate it. So those clicks to your 24-hour cookie links keep coming in every day without you lifting a finger. So pretty cool little setup, as we're going to see in the software when we jump in there and see how everything works. All right, so go ahead and read everything on the page, guys. Make sure you understand everything. And before you hit that add to cart, make sure you go to my bonus page, link below in the description. Click that green button, and that's going to lock in the 12 bonuses, super bonuses, that I'm going to have for you in the back end of Warrior Plus. So I'm going to show you that later on in this video, what all of those bonuses are and how they can help you out. All right. So this is pretty much the sales page in a nutshell. Okay, so let's talk about the upgrades. So this one on this page is going to show us 6, but there's actually 7, and I'm going to go over that one with you as well from over here on my notes. So let's go ahead and go over the upsells. Upgrade number 1 is called Cookie Dollars Unthrottled. So basically this right here is going to give you unlimited daily searches. So the front end, you only get 20 daily searches in the basic software, okay? And it's also gonna extend the returns that you get on those pages to 50 results instead of the 10 searches that you get on the front end. So pretty cool. Upgrade number 2 is Instant Profit Plugin. So with this upgrade, you're gonna be able to click one button in the software and it's gonna eliminate hours of your YouTube research. You're actually gonna get 2 buttons in here. So the first button is going to be able to allow you to see if that post is going to make you money or not, okay? And the second button that you click, it's going to allow you to instantly get your affiliate link from Amazon instead of having to go log into your Amazon account, find that product, and get your link there. So that's a pretty cool upsell as well. Okay, so upsell number 3 is going to be Instant Mentor, okay? So basically, you're going to get instantly, it's going to tell you which links are hot and which ones are not, okay? So it's going to use heat map technology to show you that. So that's a pretty cool upgrade as well, okay? And it's called Cookie Dollars Mentor. Upgrade number 4 is the Entrepreneur Upgrade, all right? So basically what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to go to number 1 on YouTube by using some small tweaks and hacks that they're going to show you how to do for your cookie money business. So that's a pretty good upsell as well because it can allow you to generate up to 6 figures per year if you do this and you do it correctly. All right. And upsell number 5 is resale rights. I'm sure you know what that is, but if you don't, you'll be able to promote the product and get 100% of the profits using your affiliate link. So very cool upgrade as well. Upgrade number 6 is guaranteed buyer traffic, which is a part of their partnership program. So this upgrade is going to get you access to all of the personal buyers, their buyers. So this means you're getting guaranteed leads and traffic directly from them. And with that, you don't have a time limit and their buyer traffic will come in for years to come. Okay. And one more upsell over here in my notes. So it's called 6 Figure for the Rest of Us, all right? And this upsell is from Tom E. This is his flagship coaching program and also with his partner. But basically, it's going to teach you how to make $500 per day, right? If you're not doing that already. And you're going to go hand in hand with some daily coaching, accountability, and you're going to get live monthly coaching calls for life and much more. So really cool upsell there. All right, so let's have a look inside the software. So here's what it's going to look like. As you can see up here, I have a bunch of other tabs. Now these are upgrades, so you probably won't see these. What you'll see in the front end is probably find products here. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead and choose, let's do some Nike shoes. You can hit enter or you can hit the search up here. So again, this is my JV access, so I have all the options that the software comes with just so I can show you what everything does, right? So basically in the find products here, you'll get on the front end, you'll get 20 searches per day, okay? And when each time you generate a search, you'll get 10 listings. Now, if you upgrade to the unthrottled versions, you'll get what I see here. You'll have unlimited searches and you'll get 50 category searches that'll show up in your feed here. All right, so let's go over a little bit of this. So you have a green to a red bar. So of course, the more red it is, the harder it's going to be to rank for, right? And you get a popularity ranking as well, which is 43 here. And it can go from 0 to 100. So that'll tell you how popular that is. Also, affiliate link here, you can go ahead and grab your affiliate link. Of course, this is within the upgrade as well. You won't have this in the front end version. You can also open to check it out, and you can check out the YouTube reviews here, which is another upgrade as well. So this is going to show you how many other videos are already doing this product, so you can see how to compete or if it's even worth competing for, right? So pretty cool there. Okay, so the tab up here is your product archive tab. So this is going to save everything that you archived. Of course, again, this is an upgrade. So in this section in the YouTube scans, it's going to show you everything that you looked at already. to see how much competition you have. Now you have the category heat maps right here. So this is pretty cool too. It's going to show you the green, yellow, and the red on how much competition in each category and products that you're going to be looking at. So it goes from green, which is low competition, all the way up to the red, right? Which is going to be really hard to compete with. So this will help you out as well. So this is basically the software. We just went over everything. So now let's check out the training videos that's going to be included in there as well. Okay, you're going to have a welcome video here from Tom E., an introduction video from Mark Gray, setting up Amazon Associates, how to build your YouTube review channel, how to build simple slideshows, review videos with text effects, background, sketchy music, how to build an easy but amazing, powerful, and clickable thumbnail, how to upload your videos to YouTube with the perfect description and tags, staying compliant with YouTube and Amazon, giving you all of the disclaimer info you need, and one more training down here, how to get Amazon affiliate link if you don't upgrade to number 2. All right, so that's going to be in there. That was the software. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my bonuses. All right, so let's take a look now at my 12 super bonuses that I have for you if you use my link, picking up cookie dollars. All right, so let's talk about when the launch starts first of all. So it's going to start Tuesday, October 7th, 2025, and it's going to end Monday, October 13th, 2025. All right, so let's go ahead. All you have to do is click on any of these green, well, there's only one green button on this page. Sometimes I put more, but in this case, there's only one. So click that link. It's going to take you to the sales page, pick up all the upgrades that you want. And in the back end of Warrior Plus, that's where you're going to see my bonuses there, the link to my bonus. And I'm going to show you to find out later, okay? So let's go ahead and go over the bonuses here. Bonus number 1 is color psychology and marketing. That goes hand in hand in marketing. Colors, you might have looked around, seen restaurants with red and yellow. In particular, makes you feel a certain way. So I'm going to teach you all about that in this marketing video here. Bonus number 2, customer journey and product testing. Bonus number 3, Fiverr tips and using Quora. Bonus number 4, how to make money with Wikipedia. Bonus number 5, how to manage your time wisely. Bonus number 6, free traffic secrets. Bonus number 7, YouTube cash. So this is a pretty cool training too as well, because you're going to be using YouTube with cookie dollars. So this will be another method that you can check out and use. Bonus number 8, the copywriting sequence. Bonus number 9, secret hacks. Bonus number 10, how to use Aweber import codes. So if you're using Aweber, this will help you out. Bonus number 11, how to make money podcasting. And bonus number 12, email marketing for beginners. All right, so that's the 12 bonuses that I'm going to have for you in the back end of Warrior Plus. So let me show you right quick how to find that. So once you get access to this product here and you go to Warrior Plus, you're going to log into your Warrior Plus account, click on the little drop down tab right there, little red tab, and choose purchase history. It's going to take you to the next page. Then you simply look for the product cookie dollars, right? You click on that. It's going to take you to the third step. Okay, so you're going to see the green button where you can access cookie dollars, and right under that is the blue button where you're going to get access to the 12 bonuses that I have for you, okay? All right, so I hope you enjoyed my cookie dollars review. I hope that this video helps you make an educated decision on whether or not you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm ronnierokksmith, also coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and be sure to smash that bell icon and choose all so that you can turn on notifications.